Well, I'm here at the Magnolia Station, and I'm not sure if this was part of the seashore line that used to run years ago. It's all locked up because of the COVID, so I can't go on the boardwalk over there and read some of the signs because they have that locked. So but that's what it looks like over here. And if I come back here, I can walk back here and you can see the Magnolia Station. And the railroad track is just used for freight now. And this is in the town of Magnolia, a couple miles from my house here. We got a lot of traffic around here that you're going to hear. So we got the flagpole, and we got an old clock here also. So there it is, Magnolia Station. We're going to walk down there and by some of those other buildings. I think they're just storage sheds that the township uses for different things. And there is a little walkway way down there. So, okay. Well, I do have one other thing that's outside here because the station isn't back of me, but there's this old cart here that's, I don't know, might have been used for the railroad. It doesn't look like the type of tracks or wheels that would be used for the railroad. Maybe just something that would load, you know, from people or businesses that would load things onto the train to bring them up to the train here. But this is it, no real sign. They got a couple of placards here, but they're so weathered and beat up, it's impossible to read it here. It says something early education in Magnolia, and who knows, it's all corroded. Can't see a thing there. So, but there's the station back there, and you got your railroad track there, and it's just a little walkway. We'll walk down here. This was the gate tender's house here. I guess back in the old days when you used to have to manually put the gate down for traffic in the real old days. Well, at least they saved that. And centennial books, different things. So we got a little something here from the track, a signal jobby or something here from the track, like you would lift this heavy thing up and flip it over to the other side. It would change it from red to green, and I'm not going to try it because it's all rusty, but that's something there. And then we come down here, and something here. It says the Wayne Allen Neville Pavilion, whatever that is, I don't know. Oh, there's another placard here. We'll see what this is here. And it might be for World War II. There's different things written. You can see some of those carts and flowers. And it's a children's garden. That's all this is here. Okay, very nice. We got some painted rocks down there that people have left. And we got the Wayne Allen Pavilion here. This might have just been for where passengers wait here, maybe. I don't know. Come around the other side. And well, no real markings there and everything, so really can't tell what that is. Don't know. And more placards that are well weathered. You can't read a thing on it, so not much else down here for the Magnolia train station. There's a little something here, some old rocks. We'll walk up here, and not going to go down the end because nothing down there. Let's see what this is here. Pile o' stones. Looks like corner markers from an old building. (1951), maybe there was a building here. Don't know. No real markings or placards to tell me, oh, something over here. Okay, we'll come back here, and it's just looks like an outline of a church. Looks like somebody hand cut that, so maybe these were leftover rocks and stones. Maybe there was a church here. Who knows? Don't know. Need more information, folks. Inquiring minds want to know. All right. Back in, hear a little echo in here from this pavilion we saw earlier. There was something on the ground that I didn't notice, and it looks like a time capsule. And it says dedicated to the future generations of Magnolia on the opening day of this park and the first anniversary of the station complex. Placed on October 21st, 2001, to be opened October 21st, 2026. So 25 years. So, not a whole bunch of old stuff in there if it's going to be 25 years. But we only got maybe 6 more years to wait and see what's going to be inside of there. So maybe I'll be lucky enough to still be here and come around and see. Okay, there we go.